Let's crochet the cutest mini star ever. They are easier than you think, and I'll guide you through each step. For this project, you'll need a crochet hook, yarn, scissors, and a darning needle. We're going to start our project with a magic ring. Hold the tail end of your yarn with your thumb, wrap the yarn around your hand, turn your hand over and put your hook under the first strand. Grab the second strand with your hook and pull it under the first strand. Twist your hook and slip the ring off your hand. Now we can start the round. Chain 1. This will keep our ring nice and secure. Single crochet into the ring. Insert your hook, yarn over, pull through. Yarn over, pull through 2 loops on your hook. Double crochet, yarn over, insert your hook, yarn over, pull through. Yarn over, pull through 2 loops on your hook. Yarn over, pull through the last 2 loops. Now we're going to chain 2. Double crochet, yarn over, insert, yarn over, pull through. Yarn over, pull through 2 loops. Yarn over, pull through the last 2 loops. Single crochet, insert your hook. Yarn over, pull through. Yarn over, pull through 2 loops. We're going to repeat this pattern 4 more times. Double crochet, yarn over, insert your hook. Yarn over, pull through. Yarn over, pull through 2 loops. Yarn over, pull through the remaining 2 loops. Chain 2, 1, 2. Double crochet, yarn over, insert, yarn over, pull through. Yarn over, pull through 2 loops. Yarn over, pull through the last 2 loops. Single crochet, insert your hook, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2 loops. Double crochet. If you're liking the video so far, please subscribe. Chain 2, double crochet. Single crochet. Double crochet. Chain 2. Double crochet. Single crochet. We're about to start our last repeat. Double crochet, chain 2, double crochet, single crochet. Now we're going to pull on the magic ring to bring the stitches closer together. Slip stitch into the first single crochet. This will finish off our project. Cut the yarn, pull your crochet hook out, pull in all the loose threads to tighten the star. I like to leave a bit of a hole in the middle of my star, but you could also pull that completely closed if you want to. Here is another one that I've made in yellow. I really like making this pattern. I think it's really addictive. If you liked making this little star, you might also enjoy crocheting a mini heart. I have a video tutorial for that right here. Thanks for watching, like, comment and subscribe for more videos.